This is a new legal test passage for Jharkhand High Court personal assistant based on new procedure of examination. 550 words in 5 minutes. Be ready. The inquiry report submitted by the conducting officer held the petitioner guilty of all the charges on the basis of an admitted statement of the petitioner before the managing director. Stop. Lack of any document to show that the petitioner had ever obtained permission for participating in radio telecast and on the basis of admitted appointment of daily wage employees as regular employees by way of regularization for the charge relating to unadjusted advance. Stop. The inquiry officer relied upon the audit report and petitioner's reply. Stop. The petitioner was again given a show cause notice along with a copy of the inquiry report to which he submitted his show cause. Stop. The managing director considered the second show cause of the petitioner as well as the inquiry report and found that the charges against the petitioner stood proved. Stop. Taking into account the gravity of charges, petitioner was subjected to penalty of dismissal while impugned order on behalf of the petitioner. Stop. An allegation was made that the concerned managing director who passed the impugned order, a member of the Indian Administrative Service, had acted malafide and with vengeance in passing the impugned order. Stop. It was next submitted that the government servant conduct rules as well as the rules governing the disciplinary proceeding applicable to the employees of the state government could not be applied to the petitioner and therefore the impugned order is bad in law. And lastly, it was submitted that the disciplinary proceeding has not been conducted in a fair manner and charges have been found established without there being any evidence to support the charges. Stop. The allegation of malafide is easy to be made but difficult to be proved. Stop. In the present case, there is no material to show that the concerned managing director had any personal and extraneous reasons to subject the petitioner to a disciplinary proceeding. Stop. In fact, the said officer has not been impleaded by name. Stop. So far as the applicability of the conduct rules of 1976 and the rules governing disciplinary proceeding are concerned, no such plea has been taken by the petitioner in his either of the show cause or in the writ petition. Stop. Only in his reply to the counter affidavit of respondents he has taken the stand that the conduct rules of 1976 are meant only for employees of the state government. Stop. It is an admitted position that the corporation is an instrumentality of the state government and it is usual for such corporations to adopt the rules and regulations of the state government in relation to conduct and disciplinary proceedings. Stop. The assertions on behalf of petitioner in respect of conduct rules that they were not adopted by the corporation raises a dispute of fact at a belated stage. Stop. However, in any case, the unauthorized absence of an employee and his admission that he has been attending radio telecast for which no permission of higher officer could be produced can fairly be treated as instances of misconduct by an employee even in absence of any rules. Stop. Moreover, in the present case, the charge numbers 2 and 3 are of serious nature relating to appointment of 3 daily wage employees under the garb of regularization when there was ban on such appointment and the corporation itself was admittedly doing no business and was unable to pay regular salary to its employees. Stop. ये डिक्टेशन 550 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है जिसे 5 मिनट्स 5 सेकेंड्स में दिया गया है। 110 वर्ड्स पर मिनट के स्पीड पर यह स्पीड बूस्टर पैसेज का काम करेगा और इसे झारखंड हाई कोर्ट के नए प्रोसीजर के आधार पर बनाया गया है। नया प्रोसीजर अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो जान लीजिए कि 500 वर्ड्स का पैसेज होगा 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड से, जिसके लिए आपको 30 मिनट्स टाइम मिलेंगे ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के लिए। तो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के लिए काफ़ी अधिक टाइम है, तो आराम से टाइप करें और कोशिश करें गलतियां कम से कम हो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।